afternoon children. I am your social teacher Triveni. Today we are going to discuss about latitudes and longitudes. Before going to this topic, Nana, have you observed your father's mobile or mother's mobile? They will use the Google map. So what this one will do? It will identify a location or place whatever you want very easily. How it identifies with the help of latitudes and longitudes. It will have a unique number also. Through that it will identify the location. Okay. Here what is meant by latitudes and longitudes? Before going to this, let us know little bit about this number. Have you observed the globe? On the globe, a number of lines run across it. A number of lines run across the globe. These lines are imaginary lines. Consider this is a globe. On this globe, the number of lines horizontally and vertically, there are number of lines that run across the globe. So these lines are imaginary lines. These are not real. These are imaginary. So these are done for the sake of our convenience. To know the earth clearly, we have drawn these lines. These are not really there on the earth. Okay. So the network of lines. These are network of lines. The horizontal lines are called as latitudes. Horizontal lines are called as latitudes and the vertical lines are called as longitudes. These are called as longitudes. So these are called as latitudes. These horizontal and vertical lines, the horizontal and vertical lines intersect each other and forms a web-like structure like grid. It forms a web-like structure like grid. Okay. What is the use of this latitudes and longitudes? With the help of this latitudes and longitudes, we can identify the location easily. We can identify the location easily. Now let us know in detail about the parallels of latitudes. If you observe a globe very keenly, on the middle of the earth, a horizontal line passes. A horizontal line passes in the middle of the earth. That line is called as equator. So this is the horizontal line which runs in the middle of the earth. So this line is called as equator. The equator divides the earth into two halves or two hemispheres. This part is known as northern hemisphere and this part is known as southern hemisphere. So apart from this equator, there are number of parallel lines are there. Number of lines runs across the globe or across the earth. So these are called as parallels. These are called as parallels. Here usually we will have a pole or axis. This is north pole and this is south pole. This pole is also an imaginary which is not real. Which is not real. Okay, Nana? So what are the parallels of latitudes? Okay. The equator is at 0 degree. The equator is at 0 degree. So this equator is also called as 0 degree latitude. We can call this one as 0 degree latitude. Here we said no, this is an imaginary pole. This is north pole and this is south pole. If it goes in this direction, the degrees will be 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So if it comes to this south pole, it will be negative, minus 30 degrees, minus 60 degrees, and when it comes near to the pole, it is minus 90 degrees. So north side we can identify 30 degrees north, south side we can identify minus 30 degrees south. Okay, so if it is minus means we have to consider that is south. If it is 30 degrees means we have to consider that is north. Okay. Important parallels of latitudes. So what are those important parallels of latitudes? Means equator at 0 degree, Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degrees north, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south, Arctic Circle 66.5 degrees north, and Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south. This we can see in the diagram. So this is the equator. The equator will be at 0 degree. So this is the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer will be at 23.5 degrees north. If you come to South Pole, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south. Arctic Circle 66.5 degrees north. Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south, and this is the pole. These are this is imaginary pole. So this is South Pole and this is North Pole. So these are the important parallels of latitudes. Vertical lines are longitudes, meridians of longitudes. Vertical lines, these are the vertical lines. These vertical lines passes through the globe. So this vertical line passes in the middle of the globe or middle of the earth. So this line is called as prime meridian. This line is called as prime meridian. It divides the earth into two hemispheres. One is western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. It divides the earth into two vertical hemispheres. That is western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. So these vertical lines are imaginary lines. These vertical lines are imaginary lines. So the number of lines passes on the globe. Here in London there is one village called Greenwich. What is the village name? Greenwich. Here specifically the prime meridian passes in this village. So because of that reason we can call this prime meridian as Greenwich meridian. This prime meridian or this longitude as Greenwich meridian, or we can also call this prime meridian as 0 degree longitude. We can call it as a 0 degree longitude. So it will run from North Pole to South Pole. So it is running from where to where, Nana? From North Pole to South Pole. Okay, so all these are longitudes. Prime meridian which divides the earth into two hemisphere. So this one is western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. How it divides, Nana? Vertically. How it divides? Vertically. Okay, so the prime meridian runs in a Greenwich village in London. Because of that reason we can call this prime meridian as Greenwich meridian, or we can call it as a 0 degree longitude. So this is about longitudes. Go through the textbooks and read the lesson entire
Okay, children? Bye.